Hi, Miss Eileen. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Eileen de Guzman Bato Malaki, 27 years old. I am married with one son. My husband is a welder. I have 3 brothers and no sister. My father is a farmer. My mother was already passed away. I am 2-year college graduate. I work as a housemaid and caregiver at the same time here in the Philippines for 2 years since August 2013 up to present. My major duties are child care, age 2 years old and above.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
Prepare meals for them, send them to school, play with them, and read story book to them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Car washing, cleaning the room, cleaning the bathroom, sweeping the floor, and mop.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, Sir Madam, I can.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic household?
Yes, Sir Madam. I obey and respect my future employer at the same time.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I decided to work in Hong Kong to help my family and to save money for the future of my kids.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Yes, Sir Madam. I hope you will consider my employment. I am a good attitude. I am a hard-working person, and I can work under pressure. Thank you, Sir Madam.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, Sir Madam.
Thank you very much. Not to see you in Hong Kong before. And can you share your